Okay, well, hello everyone. How are we today? Everybody's
Hello,
fine?
sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
that's great. So, guys, there is a debate, and debate is something quite different, I would say. This is man versus woman. Okay, man versus woman. I mean, like you can talk about any aspect of man, any aspect of woman, and then you have to have a debate like who is superior. Okay, who can be the good manager, who is good, who has lot of good qualities, who has lot of bad qualities. So just you have to have a debate. So how many people are going to support men, that men are better than
I am
women?
supporting men,
Sir,
sir.
I would like to speak about men.
Okay, so we have Vijay who is supporting man, and we have
I am
Aman.
supporting us.
Aman is supporting man, and Fatima.
Yes, I am supporting them.
Fatima is supporting man. Rest of the people are supporting women.
Women.
Okay, go ahead. So my question goes to the team who is supporting women, that why do you think that women are superior? They are the best, better than the men. 1 point.
Sir,
Okay,
I
sir.
think
Who wants to say first?
me,
Okay, okay, okay.
Samia.
Yeah, Samia, come on, go ahead. Yeah.
Sir, I think girls have the power to change this world.
Hmm.
If we educate a girl, so it empowers our not only our society but empowers our economies as well as our society. So if we educate our girl, so she will not never leave us in our old age home of their parents. You know what I'm
Okay.
saying? I'm a little bit nervous, that's why.
I would
Okay.
like
So
to
Sir,
add a point to this,
let
sir.
me.
Okay,
Uh,
Ankit, you want
Yeah,
to add some points to
I
this, yeah?
yeah, I would just like to add to what man has said.
Hmm.
I think, sir, that when a woman is educated, now she also can teach her own children.
Hmm.
So this is a very basic thing which comes if a woman is educated. So
Okay.
sir.
obviously, if every child is educated, then obviously our whole society is going to be educated. The
Hmm.
first learning of a child starts from family itself. It is the family where we learn the basic values of our life.
Okay.
So I think
I
if a mother is educated, then obviously we can make the society a better place to live.
Okay. But
sir, I wanna tell something.
yeah, yeah, go ahead, Tumeshwar. Yeah.
Okay, okay, sir. Actually, first of all, we should know that who is women.
Hmm.
Women can nurture in so many ways in the form of sister, mother, and wife.
Hmm.
And who is mother? A mother is she who can take the place of all others, but whose place no one else can take. A woman is she who helps in growth and development of our nation. And also, if I say women, the Sanskrit word is nari, comes from the word nuru, which means itself growth. So women should be educated, and that's why I support women in favor of women.
Okay, so here the question is not like women are being educated or not. The thing is that women are also educated, men are also educated, but whom do you think is superior? Whom do you think is better? Talk about some drawbacks of women, talk about some drawbacks of men. Then you can have a great debate. Okay? Whatever the two
Okay, sir.
points came, you said that okay, should be educated. Women are being educated. There are the women who are educated. Now talk about good bad points, okay? The merit, the demerits.
Okay. Sir, should I speak?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. Sir, according to me,
Hmm.
women should be educated. But we still see, sir, that there are many responsibilities that takes man. Men have to run their house. Men have to manage their expenses. Men have to take big decision in their life, and also men have to run their business. And you can see, man, is seated in a big post in our country,
Hmm.
across the world.
Hmm.
And then now we can see, we can read the newspaper. there are many many men who work is a very good way for our country.
Mm. Okay, so he's saying that man is superior because man has to do work, man has got a lot of responsibilities, and you can find men at higher positions as well, higher designations as well.
Yes, sir. I would
Yeah.
like to reply to this. Sir, I would like to reply to this. I agree that this is a fact that mostly men are scientists, mostly men are at top positions. But, sir, I think women can also do that. The problem is that women don't get as many opportunities as men do. If the women were given equal opportunities and equal status, they can certainly do what men are doing.
Lovely, lovely.
But
point,
here
lovely.
But
we
we-
are a patriarchal
but we-
society. But we are living in a
but we
patriarchal society.
but
Where
we
we talk
but
big
we give
about women empowerment,
Actually,
women
women-
education. The fact
No,
is,
like
we-
okay,
but
Tumeshwar,
we-
Tumeshwar. As Ankit said that women are not being given the opportunities. Okay, they are not given chances. You know, if you give a chance to a woman,
Obviously.
she can definitely
but
prove
if,
herself.
sir,
Yes, sir. Yes.
but sir, when we give an opportunity to a woman to do something, sir, but sir, there is many obligation. Then after any woman get married, there she have to she have to she have to take care of family. She have to take care of children. That time woman can't do this properly.
Can't fulfill
Sir,
those
to add
responsibilities.
one thing
you want
and
to say?
also,
Right.
Okay, Aman,
Ah.
Aman,
Sir,
Aman,
again,
Aman, Aman,
I
Aman,
interrupt
Aman has a
sir,
point. Aman has a
sir,
point. Aman,
because sir I see many girls who do their work very good way, very properly, but after they get married, they can't do this work.
Okay.
sir, can
Sir,
I
I
make
wanna
a
say
rebuttal?
Okay, you can refute this point, but Aman has to say something. So Aman, please go ahead because he has not spoken yet. Aman, go ahead.
sir, if women gets opportunity equal to men, then the point is that man has less emotion than women, so he can take difficult decision,
Strong decision, difficult
strong
decision. Yeah.
decision in difficult time,
Okay.
because he is strong from mind. This is why man is getting more opportunity.
Actually,
So
I would like to say
If
something.
you are talking about strong, then I think women are more stronger than men because
Yes,
she
definitely.
gives
I am
birth to a
talking about
child and
emotionally strong.
it bears. Yes, I'm talking about emotionally is strong. That's why bears the pain when she giving a birth to a child. She bears at same time 20 to 22 bones fracture at the same time.
my God.
Actually,
What
sir,
Sir, now I would like to add one point to
Okay,
this.
Ankit,
It's very
Ankit.
important.
Yeah, go ahead.
Sir, most women are quintessential of compassion, empathy, understanding, and I think these qualities should be appreciated rather than neglected. All these qualities should be appreciated because all these good qualities make us a good human being. In our schools, we are taught to be compensate, we are taught to be, understanding,
How can you
and
say?
women
This
have
is your
directly all
answer.
these
How can
qualities.
you
Okay,
say-
Fatma is going to rebut this point.
Sir,
Fatma,
how
Fatma.
can you say father is neglected? How can you say father also support to her daughter, to his daughter? You can say father is neglected, sir. It's a wrong. Father also support, brother support, hubby also support their wife. So they can support. And man is a lot of sacrifices for
Yeah,
their
obviously,
family.
ma'am. But I am
Yes,
just
yes,
here
yes.
making
Yes.
a kind of comparison. I'm drawing a
Men
comparison
have
here.
to
In comparison to
men have
men,
to
women are
sacrifice
supposed to
their
be
No,
full of
if you
compassion,
if you are
understanding, and
comparing,
empathy.
so man has to a lot of sacrifices for his family. If you are comparing,
Okay, means man has to sacrifice a lot.
yes, sir.
Am I
Men have to
audible, sir?
sacrifice
And sir, I would like to
their
add another point here that often we have fixed ideas about males and females. We think that there are certain things only women can do, and there are certain other things which only men can do. Like
actually,
this-
it's our own opinion, but there is no as such restriction that
Yeah,
women
If
can.
you-
as Mr.
if
Dixit just said
woman-
that women has to carry forward her family also. She has to look after her child after marriage. But I think it's just a stereotype. Men can also look after the child. If I think woman is educated and she is doing
Because
good, she should stay
but
home.
Actually,
Ankit,
She shouldn't go out
but
and
Ankit
work.
sir, man,
And
but
husband should stay at home and
Ankit
take
sir,
care of
man
the
have
children.
to.
Okay, Vijay wants to refute. Yeah.
Ankit sir, man have to sacrifice their wishes for their child education, for their child future, and man have to give best education to our child by sacrificing their wishes and their choice. And man work hard in their whole life to educate their children and save their family.
Anyone wants to refute?
Sir, yes, I would like to refute, sir. Sir, if we draw a comparison between developed nations and underdeveloped nations, what we see that in most developed countries, the conditions of women is very good. They are educated and independent. But on the other hand, if we go to the underdeveloped countries, women are not as much educated and independent. I would also like to say that when Swami Vivekananda went to the US, he recognized the role of women in that country, and he stated that in the US, women are very independent and they are educated, and therefore the US is a very flourishing country. On the other hand, the other countries where women are not as much educated and independent, those countries are in dilapidated condition. So I think if we want to raise the standard of our society and country at large, we need to, the women are most important, I would like to say, in comparison with
As
I
you,
wanna say something.
but Ankit sir, as you give example on US, the US woman is not as good as Indian is. Their culture is different. Their human don't live with their family. They don't have to uh,
Allow to go
uh,
to outside
actually,
for work.
uh,
Now,
yes
I wanna
yes.
actually I wanna tell something. I would like to tell. Okay, as you said, women are not so well educated as compared to men. Actually, as per my opinion, education it doesn't mean has to be written and read. Actually, it means active adjustment of habits and behavior. It is called education. It doesn't mean only degree qualification. Okay, in order to handle family, then habits and behavior most necessary as compared to your degree certification.
Despite men not educated, but they have to work a laboring work. They work hard for their family. The woman can't do it.
No, I think yes,
Obviously women do.
women
Women
also
are
can
just
do.
laborers.
tell you,
Women go to
I would like
various
to tell
houses
you,
as maids. They work as maids. If we go to the lower strata of family, it is women who are working.
Men can't do
They
it
work as a
because
maid, they work as sweeper, they work as a
actually,
laborer.
actually,
if
I'm gonna tell
woman
you. I'm just a minute. Women can do everything. Women can do everything because these days you can see women are doing job along with they are
women
handling
can
their.
do everything by supporting men, not
No,
alone.
Yes.
I'm gonna
With
No,
the
yes,
no,
support
that's
of
true.
sir.
Yes.
okay, with
Men
the
can
support of
also do
men.
anything
Okay.
without support of man.
Yeah.
By supporting men, because their father support, their
And
brother support, their husband support. So that's why they can do it.
Sabahat,
Without
As you
supporting, he
Sabahat,
can
do you
do
want
it.
to say something? Sabahat, do you have any point?
Yes, sir. Nowadays, women can do anything without any support. Sir. You can see everywhere women doing jobs, work, sir, and everything without with help of any other man members. She can do anything without with the help of others.
I can say who actually I would like to tell you right now is the finance minister of our nation is Nirmala Sitharaman, and she is only one woman and she is handling everything. Who is supporting her?
but but he is handled supporting by our PM. Our PM
Actually,
is man.
Sir, let me complete
no,
this
no.
Yeah.
sentence.
Actually,
Okay,
if you are in position,
Fatima. Go ahead, Fatima. Go ahead.
Sir,
Yep.
I consider, but suppose a man leave the dismiss from his job They will in depression, in stress. They have worry. But if this situation uh, to the woman, they don't worry because they have to handle their home, their children, and and the woman's support.
I can't hear what ma'am is saying. Actually, her voice is
Actually,
not coming to me.
Okay.
your voice is coming, but very slow. Please speak loudly.
Fatima, there is any voice issue?
So what did she say? She say?
Nobody could make out. Fatima,
Sir.
yeah, go ahead.
Sir,
Sir, I would say that education is necessary for everyone. But the point is that if we take a ratio of educated men and educated women, we will find that man is on upper hand.
Yes,
Why?
yes,
The question is
Yes,
why?
that is
Why are they on
because
upper hand?
in
That is the
our
question.
society,
Yes. The question
In
is
The
our
very
society.
question. This why has to be corrected. This why is because of the society, the patriarchal society we are living in.
Patriarchal, yeah.
Because
It
yes,
has to be changed.
and in our society, girls were pulled out of schools at when they hit puberty.
actually yes. I'm gonna tell you. At my village, the girls are or women are not well educated, but they behave. They know how to respect elders very well, very well. But men are well educated. They have degree certificates. They have degree qualification, but they don't know how to respect elders. So here is
this is not correct,
which-
sir.
because
Yes, sir.
I don't agree with you because men know whom to give respect and whom
Actually,
to not
yes,
give respect.
actually yes. Men
But-
know,
But
but they don't.
girl is can't recognize whom to give respect.
Sir,
Actually,
we
This
all
is
you might have
this is
you might
totally
have
wrong.
Talk about this point. Talk about this point as Vijay said
sir,
that girls.
I will talk.
Yeah, talk. Yeah, go ahead.
I wanna say something. Sir, in every given family, we have seen that after the marriage, they apart from their family.
They separate. I mean, girls.
Why it is? If they are saying girls respect everyone, then why it happens?
So he's saying that
Actually,
the
but
girl.
it-
Listen.
because, sir,
He's
because,
saying.
sir-
See. He's saying that woman is the bone of contention between the dispute between two brothers. So do you agree?
Because they live
sir,
together before the marriage.
Woman believe at someone very quickly. Then after that woman is deceived.
Okay. It means she
Actually,
believes.
That's why I told woman don't recognize whom to give respect.
Guys, we have 2 points. I want those 2 points to be refuted. The first point, what Aman said, like woman is the bone of contention between the dispute between two brothers. It means she is the main person who makes you separated. Aman is saying. So Ankit, do you have to refute this point?
Yes, sir, obviously.
Yeah,
Sir, I think the bone of contention could be anything. It could be property. Because after, when family increases, what happens? Responsibility also increases. So due to that friction comes up between brothers. Women
But
have that
here, Ankit, it has been seen like there are two brothers. Okay, they have food together. They enjoy a lot. They are very much happy. Once they both get married, and after that you can see the differences. They rarely talk to each other, and always you can find a dispute, takes place in the family. So people say that when there was no woman here, when they were not married, they used to be very good. Now when they got married, their terms are not good. It means somehow or other,
I think
women are,
women should not be blamed for that. I think rather than blaming women for this, men should themselves blame.
Okay.
They are themselves to be blamed. That why are they fighting with each other? They should live like they were living before. But actually, what happens due to the greed?
They want to live,
property
but
issues,
women
due to the property
do not
issues,
use
no,
any
actually,
opportunity.
it's
and
not.
women are made bone of contention unnecessarily.
Aman is saying
It's
that women start poisoning your ears. You go to your office.
Yes.
When you come back from your office, then you sit with your wife, and now your wife is going to tell you each and everything, and you have to believe, you have to trust. Or she will start saying, you are impotent, you can't do anything, you are good for nothing, and she starts even shedding tears as well. So finally you have to believe, you get charged, you go out, start fighting with your brother, and he's saying that that's a crocodile tears. So now you have to cut
No,
this
sir.
point,
No,
refute
sir.
it.
There are many women
Actually-
who always talk, about the well-being of the family. They always try to make their husbands understand, and they want their husbands to live with their family.
Actually,
Answer,
sir,
answer, I
here,
see,
actually,
answer,
sir, here,
answer, I see many family, women, sir, get divide the family.
Okay, they divide the family.
No,
That's what I'm
actually,
saying.
yeah.
It's wrong to blame women for this.
Actually,
We are
let me
living in a
give- let me
patriarchal
give-
society.
Exactly, it's
and
wrong.
despite living in a
The
patriarchal society,
main
we are
reason
blaming
of
women
dividing is
for the division of
fighting
this
between two
warfare.
women.
Okay.
Not with the
It's
main
very
reason
easy
is
to
fighting
blame on
between
somebody
two
else.
women.
If we are at fault, then blame is on
And
our
sir, I-
own
we
head.
can't.
We
Actually,
cannot,
we
you know-
can't blame only and only women. We
Yes.
can't blame only and only women. Okay, it depends on the mentality of that person and also his brother actually. We can't say only and only the main reason behind women. We can't say.
But
Man, because
It's
man don't
depend
want
on
to
your
because
sincerity.
man
Yeah.
don't want to
Yeah, obviously, but it
fight.
depends on a personal to personal case.
Is narrow-minded.
Okay, Fatima, yeah.
Woman is narrow-minded and demonstrate.
Ankit, there is a question. There is a question.
They emotionally blackmail to her hobby, and they start to
Emotional.
quarreling.
No, actually, sir,
Emotionally,
Emotionally blackmail.
Yeah.
No, I
Emotionally
think this is
blackmail
not
to
fair. You
her
cannot blame
husband and
anybody
start quarreling.
without any basis. This is like of
tyrant.
blaming. I can
See,
also
sir,
say
See,
that
see,
men are
actually,
okay, see,
as you said-
let's talk about some practical
It is-
examples. Let's talk about some practical examples. Ankit, there is a point, like you have a brother, okay, and your brother has a car, and being a younger brother, you can take the car's key whenever you wish. Your brother is not going to stop you for that. But when your brother gets married, after that, when you're using his car again and again, even your brother is not saying anything, but your brother is being scolded by his wife. His wife is going to say, this is our car and he has taken the key. He always uses this car. Can't he purchase his own car? And sometimes or later, you will also start, you will start
You don't
hesitating in giving the keys. It happens.
It don't feel on petrol in the car.
No, sir.
If
Actually,
they
yeah.
don't wanted to go
sir,
outside at that time.
Is
Actually, sir, I'm gonna give you answer of this your question. As you said, yes, it happens with I can say 80%, but it's not happens with everyone. I have elder brother and he got married, and I have a sister-in-law actually, and my sister-in-law and my brother is very good, and he give me every opportunity to use. So
but it happens with mostly
I would
cases.
like to give one example here.
Yeah.
Despite
lack
he
of
don't want to
education
go
of-
outside,
Due to lack
he
of
will
education
say,
of that person actually. Due to lack of education
And sir-
of that person actually. Okay, you can't say they
Sir,
are only and only women.
Okay.
Sir, I
I
want to
think
add
that,
different
this-
point.
Okay. Vijay is saying something. Vijay, go ahead.
Sir, I want to add, speak about different point. Sir, we all go to hotel to eat food, but not now. And sir, we can see in hotel, sir, in hotel, all cooks is men. There is no cook woman.
Okay.
Sir, about this question, as I already said, women are not given as much opportunities as men. Women,
Yes.
earlier what was happening? Earlier
No one
it
in a
was
hotel.
thought. Sir,
No
please
one in
let
no
me
one.
reply. Let
No
me
one
reply.
in a hotel.
Let me
No
reply to this
one in a
point
hotel.
only.
No one in a
Okay,
hotel.
Ankit, go ahead. Ankit, go ahead. Ankit is going to
Earlier
reply.
it was
Ankit, yeah.
thought- Earlier it was thought that girls are only good at humanitarian subjects. They were only used to be taught home science, arts, etc.
Absolutely.
But now more and more women are, studying science. They are becoming IS officers, IPS officers, politicians, astronauts, even scientists. So things are changing. Earlier there was a stereotype
Yes,
where women
yes.
are set, where they were put. But now
Yes.
since the education, they are getting educated, they are coming out also. When they can become a scientist, when they can become an IS officer, why can't they become a cook?
Love.
What kind of argument is that?
But cooking in the hotel is also a profession.
That's what I'm saying. If a woman can become an
And
astronaut,
there is no one.
and she
There
can
is no
become
one
an
in the
IS
hotel
officer,
to refuse.
Let me
And there is
And
no
one
one.
more thing. And one
there
more
is
thing
no
I
one
would
in a
like to
hotel
add.
to
In
recruit
our
the
homes,
people who want to
in our
work there
homes,
in
still
hotel.
our mothers and sisters and wives make our food. Is that food anywhere inferior to that hotel food? I don't think so. No matter how much you eat in hotel, but ultimately you have to come to your home and eat
So
your meals,
Ankit
which
sir,
is done by
Yes.
your mom or
Yeah.
your
Because
I
sister.
human,
consider
Fatima,
because
Fatima, Fatima,
human,
Fatima has a point. Fatima.
because
Ankit sir,
because
let me
Vijay,
human.
wait. Fatima, go ahead. Fatima, go ahead.
Ankit sir, I consider no one can no one can afford for mother, father, mother and sister. But sometimes you go to a restaurant like a 5 star, 7 star. So how will you feel, sir, by eating this food?
Oh, he feel great.
I don't like
Wow.
7 star
It's
food,
made
and
by it's made by
nobody can
man.
eat in
Sir,
5 star
It's made
hotel
sir,
all
by
the
man.
time. You
And
sir,
have to
if,
come
sometimes
back to
if
your
men
home, and
also
ultimately you
cook
have
at
to.
sir,
home.
it is time to cooking food for to our family member. Is there only 4 to 5 member? But in hotel there are so many people are coming there,
Mhm.
and everyone knows they have to cook food in back to back,
Mhm.
and that time woman is not able to cook food back to back.
Okay.
But if you go to a village,
And actually, they are not
there
alone.
are more than 40 to 50 people in one family, in one family still, and one or
40 to
two
50.
women make food, all of them free of cost. So I think this is not a fair argument to
Exactly.
say that.
And Ankit,
It
let
is
me
not
Exactly.
Sir,
free
tell
of
there is
cost.
a
It
Lovely.
is
no
not
sir.
free
There
of
is a
cost.
no sir. There is only 5 to
Everyone
6
has
people
do
in
his job.
family.
Okay.
Everyone do his job.
Okay. Guys, now
Main job
I
is
think it is
to
going
earn money and
it will run out of time after 10 minutes, I think. Okay. So we have to wrap it up.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Fine.
Okay,
So
sir.
what do you think? Now just let's talk about some drawbacks. Some drawbacks of female, drawbacks of men. Come on.
Yes, sir. One drawback of men are that they are quite violent.
Okay.
We have seen so many wars in human civilization, which is mainly because of men. Because men have been kings, they have been in prominent position, and there has been a lot of violence. On the other hand, women are not as much violence, as much violent, and they are kind of compensate. They are full of empathy.
Anyone wants
So
to
in that
refute?
sense, I
Women are
feel
not
that
violent.
women
Women
are
are not
better.
violent. Does anyone want to
Sir,
refute?
In comparison,
sir,
not.
man is always sir, man is always silent, but woman make men violence.
No, no.
Violence.
Actually, I would like to tell you, Mr.
Vijay.
men
Gentleman.
have to
Actually,
silent for
men are usually get anger so easily, and due to because of anger, you can anger can it brings so many diseases like I can say headache and anxiety. A lot of diseases can brings. So yes, usually
No, I'm giving
men
you
are get.
example. I'm giving you example. Just go and look at the history of human beings.
Sir,
If
I
you go
want
to
to sir,
history, all the
I
emperors
want
were
to
men
talk.
and they always fought.
Sir, I want to
And men
talk different
always
point.
think themselves superior to women, I think.
Okay. Superior.
Always think themselves superior. Yes.
Okay. So they think superior. They are superior. Let's talk about it.
They
the
think, sir, they think superior.
Okay.
men are
But
superior.
actually, it
Not
is not
men
men
right.
Yes,
superior.
yes,
Fatima
yes.
is saying
Agree
that
sir,
with
men
you.
are superior.
They
Fatima is saying.
both are
Men
equal.
are
They
superior.
both are
Women think
equal.
superior, but men are superior, already superior.
Sir, I want to sir,
No, they both are
I want to a
equal.
different point.
Okay. Go ahead.
Sir, means sir, if
Hmm.
woman bike is not working on road,
Hmm.
and then she had
She.
she have to push their bike
Uh-huh.
to the towards the petrol pump.
Hmm.
Then that time she is
She.
not able to push. She is not able to push long time.
Okay.
That time she have to help any man.
Hmm.
Men always
sir,
compromises for their
sir,
family.
We
I
are
will
not
say something.
saying that men are.
Sir, as they said,
Hmm.
man is more violent.
Hmm.
If you see around you,
Hmm.
you will see that every man says that every 8 men of 10 says that my wife is called me if I do this. I will not do this.
No, they say in a friendly way. They don't mean to offend their wives. They say that in a
But
friendly way,
This is the
just
same
for fun.
if they are
situation for wife also, I think. This is the
if
same situation for wife
Yeah.
also.
And I'm talking
No.
about facts.
There is
You
no-
people should also talk about
If they are
facts.
violent,
Rather than
then
blaming on a particular gender for everything.
if they are violent, why they
Sir,
fear?
please.
Okay.
Sir, and sir, I want to give my friend example. There is my friend whose name is Prashant.
Hmm.
Before getting married, he used to come to me. He used to call me every day, and we used to meet and go anywhere. But after getting married, before 2 years, his wife didn't let him go to
Okay.
friend, didn't let him go out, and he also checked his phone after coming
Okay.
home.
Okay.
Actually, here,
To whom he,
here
to
I wanna
him,
give.
to him he
Maybe
give me
it
call,
happens
call,
because they
he
both
call,
love each other, they
and
respect each other.
No. Actually,
yeah,
I would like
No,
to
no.
tell
I
you
have
here.
also
Because
expressed.
it's their home. After
and
marriage,
he
you are
also
talking
break
that your
their
friend is not talking to you. On the other hand,
and
there
he
might be a
and she
woman who
also
leaves a
break
whole family behind.
Mr. Pichon,
and
And she
she
actually, I
wants
would
to
also
like
earn
break
to
her
tell
their,
you.
place to
friend.
live. Even she cannot talk to her
Actually,
friends
Mr.
Yes, sir.
as much as she used to talk.
Hello,
No,
Mr.
no,
Actually,
but
And
Pichon,
she
I
leave
would
her
like
whole
to.
Sir, one
family
more
and
thing.
behind.
Okay.
and she
Okay. Fatima.
and
Last. Fatima.
and
Okay.
Fatima.
One more thing, sir. Suppose there is a festival. Okay. There is some occasion, and man has not enough money. Not enough money. He will purchase for his daughter, his wife, and his mother. He will sacrifice. He will compromise. He will not purchase for
yes,
them. It's
yes,
my experience, sir.
Very good.
Actually,
because he's
just a
because he
minute.
knows
Just a
But
minute.
I see my
he
mother
knows
does the
Hello.
He
same.
will
My
go
mother
to
does the
work.
same. She compromise all the time.
He will
Yes.
go.
Okay, fine,
He
guys.
will
Guys,
go.
we cannot continue more just because of scarcity of time. So
time.
thank
There
you.
is one
Yes, sir.
bread sir,
Sir,
if there
sir,
is
just a
one bread
minute.
in a
Lastly, I
plate,
wanna say something.
then woman first of all gives it to her children and husband. She doesn't eat it first.
Oh my God,
If there
very
is
good.
anything remains, she eats it. Otherwise, she
But
leaves it.
the bread
So that should also be considered.
Huh.
but the bread bring the man.
Okay, the man
No, not
brings the bread.
necessarily.
Man brings the bread.
Not
Okay,
necessarily.
fine. Okay, Tumeshwar, do you want to say something? Fine. We are just going to end it up. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Actually, Bijay, as you told, after getting married, usually men are not in connection with their friends. It's wrong point because suppose you are a student right now. After becoming an IS officer, it's your responsibility to maintain your district along with your family members. Then how can you get a lot of times to spend with your friends?
Because my friend doesn't want to fight to each other. That's why he agree.
Okay. Okay,
Men
fine.
always try to remain their relationship good.
Okay, fine, guys. Thank you very much, everybody. Thank you for this debate. Okay. So if the voice quality is good, this video is going to be uploaded on YouTube. Okay, guys. So thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, guys. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
sir,
you, sir.
for giving this opportunity.
Okay. Okay. Bye.